Like damn, I'ma make them go bananas. She fucking that second on camera. Papa and that she got stamina. My jazz still in panorama. I'm beating up pussy like Michael. I call her Daddy Diana. Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana. I got Molly, I got white, I got Molly, I got white. I've been trapping all damn night. Hannah Montana, 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 Hannah Montana. I got white, I got Molly, I got white. I've been trapping all damn night. Hannah Montana.
Zip Hop Nation on Sirius XM. It's DJ Emmy, the People's Choice. If you have your request, shout outs, I'll definitely get your joints on. Shout out to Mimi. She hit me up since she wanted to hear K-Camp cut her off.
Those guys fucking slide. They'll be down in 10 minutes.
It ain't nothing to cut that bitch off. So what you saying, ho? You know I'm the man, ho. Nothing but a bird, I'ma leave you where you stand, ho. Heard you got a man, ho. Hope he understand, ho. You ain't nothing but a creeper, baby.
A little tighter in here. A little tighter in here than Scott's Jeep with that seat. It pushes you forward. Does it go back any further or not? I think it, oh yeah, it does. Sure, sweet.
Scott needs the bedline to be a lot nicer.
He was going to, he's just been lazy about it.
Wait, Scott lazy?
Huh?
Wait, Scott lazy?
No. Can't believe he did Firehole like 2 or 2. I wish I could have saw it. That would have been neat. He's been driving pretty good lately. Pretty good.
Here I come.
glad his trunk came out.
Oh, yeah.
A little wind to deal with is all.